So here I am, kind of the last phase of my relocation to Jamaica. I am going to be going to closing on my house, so I had to come back to America to basically pack everything up and let this place go. I've had this place since I'm young, more than 30 years, and it's pretty dramatic making a move to a new country on your own. I can't wait to ship this here one of these days, and maybe I can donate it to a church in Jamaica. That would be great, a place where I could go play it. But I'm getting there, getting ready to pack my truck, and I'll be flying home again in March. Home, that is, to Jamaica. And I have an opportunity recently to do some good charity work. Praying that it all works out for me with the Marley Foundation. So there's a big movement to rewrite the Constitution in Jamaica, and it seems I might get to be a part of that political process. And with my background, that's going to be a win-win for everybody. So I'm very excited. I'm saying goodbye. Goodbye.